I applied through clearing because A-levels didn't exactly go all too well for me. First there was shock because I really thought I had done well enough, but then I started to calm down a little bit because I started to get anxious, I'd say. But then the teachers comforted me and then they guided me towards clearing, or if I could just retake my A-levels. I saw USW as one of the options and that they offered a biomedical course, which I was interested in. I decided to apply very late actually. I think it was like a week before the deadlines. The application process was actually very straightforward. I didn't really have to do much. I applied through UCAS, just filled out the necessary information, and then I was accepted within the week. I'd say don't be disappointed, because you might feel like clearing isn't a good option for you, or you feel like the word clearing sounds bad, but honestly it gives you more options and allows you to maybe find courses that are better suited you than before.